How to add camera shake effect in Premiere Pro. You can add a camera shake effect using the transform effect. Import your footage into Premiere Pro and place it on the timeline. Go to the Effects panel and select Transform. Effect. Drag the effect in the video. In the Effect Controls panel, find the scale and increase it. Then position parameter and add keyframes to it by clicking the stopwatch icon. Adjust the position of the clip slightly in different directions to create the camera shake effect. You can use the X, Y, and Z position parameters to create different types of shake. I am adjusting rotation also. Copy and paste it instead of adding keys again. Press Ctrl+C to copy. And press Ctrl+V to paste. Once you're done with copy-paste keys, then check the video. Go back to the Effect Control panel. For better result, unselect Use Composition Shutter Angle, and keep Shutter Angle at 360. Now it's looking great. That's how you can add the shake effect. Thanks for watching.